Hey everyone, I'm Zan from Felon Fair, and we've had a lot of questions recently wondering, saying I don't have a whole lot of equipment, I just have a tunic and some basic stuff. Will I look cool? Will I be effective at Weekend Warrior? I don't want to be outclassed and I don't want to look silly compared to everybody else. So first and foremost, I want to say about 60% of the people at Weekend Warrior have not done a whole lot of stuff like this before. So they usually only have what we call the basic kit. Now that you have to have the basic kit to be effective at Weekend Warrior and to be able to come into the play area, and this is what this is. A basic kit is a tunic, belt, trousers, boots, and then if you're a combatant, some sort of weapon. After that, you're in and you're good to go. If you want to start adding some more things, there are some very simple items that you can add that are relatively inexpensive to really flesh your character out. But once again, this is all you need to be part of Weekend Warrior. And like I said, there's going to be plenty of people out there that have just this and do absolutely fine and have a blast. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please feel free to message us or email us if you have any more questions about your Weekend Warrior kit. All right, with just a few items here, I've already added a ton of dimension to my character. The first and easiest is a hood. I love hoods because they provide warmth in the winter and at night, and they provide great shade during the day. It also obviously adds depth. It's great to also wear under your helmet to keep it from chafing or anything like that. The next really easy item is having some sort of neck scarf or mask. You can wear it for disguise, or if your character is some sort of rogue or ranger or something like that. Also, just having something that you can kind of wrap around your neck is a great way to add depth. It's also very practical because if your character wants to pretend to use it as a bandage or something like that in the event, that's a really great way to do. It also, for those of us that have really skinny necks, it's a great way to kind of bulk us out and make us not look like bobbleheads. Another really simple thing is a simple pair of leather gloves. So throw these on and you're already adding more dimension. Also, it's never a bad thing to protect your hands when you're heading into a battle. Now for the last two items that we're going to add in to really fill out a kit, I've thrown a Gambeson on. This is really simple. What I love about a Gambeson is it actually provides armor protection in a lot of games. It also is a great thing at night if it's cold. It's like a jacket, so it adds some warmth to you. Once again, if it's really hot though, it's something you might have to think about. But I really like Gambesons. Once again, they really bulk you out. They really add a little extra dimension. And then, last but not least, the cloak, which is one of my absolute favorite items to add to any kit. It once again provides warmth and shade protection because it has a hood also during the day. If it's your ranger or something like that, you have a green one or something that's natural color or an environmental color, then it can be great camouflage, white in the snow, and that sort of stuff. And then obviously it just adds a lot of panache. So once again, I added 6 very simple items to the basic kit. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6. And it really helps flesh out. Was it 5? May have been 5. You can go back and watch the video and check. It'll get us more views on the minutes on YouTube. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this is helpful. And just add in a couple little things. But if you don't feel like you're going to show up like this for the first day, no problem. We're always going to have stuff for sale at Weekend Warrior. There's going to be vendors there that can help get you garbed and equipped. Or if that's not in your budget and that's not what you're going to do, all you have is the tunic, the pants, the belt, boots, and a weapon. You're good to go. So we look forward to seeing you at Weekend Warrior. Have a good one.